Friends, I am Dr. Gajanan Wag. This is our fifth lecture. We are going to study the cell constant. Very important term. There is always a problem. In practical also, you have many calculation. So, cell constant is denoted by theta. What is meant by cell constant? And how to determine the cell constant practically? That we are going to study. Negative electrode, positive electrode. This is electrolyte solution. Electrode are fixed. Electrode. This is the solution. So distance between the two electrodes is L centimeter. Metallic electrode, mostly platinum electrode, fixed in the conductor cell. So distance between these two electrodes is L centimeter, and this is nothing but the electrolyte solution containing cation and anion, which is work as a conductor in between two electrodes. So this is the area of this conductor. Area of the solution between the two electrodes is the area of the conductor. Now, what is meant by cell constant theta? Definition of cell constant. Cell constant. Cell constant is equal to theta is equal to. Cell constant is defined as it is a ratio of distance of separation of two electrodes L and cross-sectional area of a conductor A. So this is nothing but the cell constant, and this ratio remains constant, and therefore it is called as a cell constant. What is meant by cell constant? Once again, it is a ratio of distance between the two electrodes, or length of separation of two electrodes, or length of the conductor. This is the length of the conductor to the cross-sectional area. This is the cross-sectional area of the conductor. This ratio L upon A remains constant. Therefore, it is called as a cell constant. It is called as a cell constant. Now, what is the unit of cell constant? Unit of theta. So L is measured in centimeter, A is measured in centimeter square. This centimeter get cancelled, is equal to centimeter inverse. This is the unit for cell constant. Cell constant theta L by A. Please remember, cell constant theta is L by A. Ratio of length of the conductor to the cross-sectional area. This ratio remains constant, so it is called as a cell constant. The unit is centimeter inverse. Suppose this L is equal to 1 centimeter and A is equal to 1 centimeter square, then theta is equal to 1 divided by is equal to 1 centimeter inverse. Theta is equal to 1 centimeter inverse. This is about the cell constant. Now, second part is how to measure. How to measure the cell constant experimentally? How to measure theta practically, experimentally? Now, in that cell constant, we are not able to measure the length in centimeter. We are not going to measure the cross-sectional area in centimeter square. But how to measure the cell constant practically? cell constant is measured practically by taking the known concentration of potassium chloride solution, means 0.1 molar KCl solution. This is the standard potassium chloride solution whose concentration is known, 0.01 molar is taken, whose specific conductance is known, and by measuring the resistance of such a solution we can find out the cell constant. How we can find out it? Suppose, what is meant by the specific conductance? The specific conductance Ls is equal to the specific conductance we have studied last time. Specific conductance Ls is equal to C into L upon A. This is the cell constant L by A, and Ls is equal to C into L upon A. So what is L upon A? According to equation 1, L upon A is nothing but the theta, cell constant. So this equation will be specific conductance Ls is equal to, C is the conductance, you can write 1 upon R. C is equal to 1 upon R into L upon A is nothing but the theta. So this is the equation number 3. See, cell constant theta is equal to L upon A, specific conductance is equal to conductance into L upon A, where specific conductance is equal to, conductance is nothing but the 1 upon resistance into L upon A is nothing but the cell constant, formula for cell constant. So this equation of specific conductance is converted into Ls into theta upon R. So Ls is equal to theta upon R. Equation number 4. Now, this Ls is equal to theta upon R. Therefore, what is meant by theta? So theta is equal to, this R will multiply to the Ls. So theta is equal to, theta means cell constant. Cell constant is equal to theta is equal to Ls into R. Ls into R. This is nothing but the equation number 5. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. So cell constant theta is equal to Ls into R. So theta is equal to cell constant measured in centimeter inverse. Ls is a specific conductance measured in ohm centimeter inverse. R is a resistance of that conductor measured in ohm. So theta is equal to Ls into R. So Ls is the specific conductance of this 0.01 molar non-concentrated KCl solution. So practically you can measure the resistance of KCl solution, and you know the specific conductance of KCl solution whose concentration is known. So how to measure the theta practically is like this. So you can write here. So Ls, specific conductance of 0.01 molar KCl is equal to 0.001412 ohm inverse centimeter inverse at 25 degrees centigrade. This is specific conductance of known KCl solution. Non-concentrated KCl solution is known. So this is known. Now you can measure the R. resistance of this non-concentrated KCl solution, you will get the theta. So theta is equal to 0.001412 into R means observed resistance. R is observed resistance. Means you can write here as cell constant. Cell constant theta is equal to 0.001412 into observed resistance of 0.01 molar KCl solution. So in this way you can find out the cell constant theta by using the known concentration of 0.01 molar KCl solution. Have you understand all these equations? Very simple equation, very simple logic. So if you have a known solution of KCl solution, measure the resistance by using the conductivity meter and conductivity cell. You will get practically direct resistance, and the specific conductance of that non-concentrated KCl solution is known. At 25 degree it is 0.001412. So you will get the theta. Once you know the theta, cell constant, you can measure the specific resistance, specific conductance, equivalent conductance for unknown solution. Once you find out the theta, and theta is nothing but the L by A. So in the conductivity cell, the length between the two electrodes is 1 centimeter, cross-sectional area is 1 centimeter. So this 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Here that cell is fixed in the glass tube, so its cell constant is constant. That is, manufacturer always write the cell constant from the electrode on conductivity cell electrode or conductivity cell. So it is near about 1. It is constant, 1 centimeter inverse. Okay. In this way, you can find out the specific conductance, equivalent conductance for unknown solution like acetic acid. Thank you. Now this is the fifth lecture on conductivity cell and how to measure the conductivity cell. Now we will see in the next part, that is the conductivity cell and conductivity water. Thank you very much.